Bathroom is such a place where we become Kishore Kumar or Asha ji maybe. But have you ever thought that within a bathroom, why our hidden talent to become a rock star blossom? It is actually the architecture of the bathroom itself. We know that sound waves are produced because of the vibration of medium particles. Without medium, we cannot generate sound waves, and sound waves need medium to propagate. These walls are not very good absorber of sound waves. Upon reflection, the sound waves bounce here and there, all over, everywhere inside the bathroom. Some gets back towards us, but it takes a longer time to reach us, which intensifies the reflected sound wave. As the sound wave lasts long inside the air of the bathroom, it creates a reverberation effect. And we think that we are on a perfect pitch. We hear the same reverberation effect when a flight passes by or during a lightning. Inside the commercial microphones, this reverberation effect is artificially planted so that we can appreciate our own voice. But the scenario changes when we listen to our same own voice through a speaker. We find that our recorded voice through a speaker is quite cringeworthy. But why is that? This is because when we listen to our recorded voice, we hear it like other people. The voice first reaches our eardrum and makes a vibration there. Inside ear, the sound first reaches auditory ossicle, which consists of 3 bones. These bones intensifies the sound before it reaches the cochlea. Cochlea then converts the sound wave into electrical signal and then it sends it to the brain. So our brain perceives it as an electrical signal. And then we can feel the difference between the recorded voice and the voice we directly hear inside the bathroom. But when we hear our sound directly, we make vibrations inside our vocal cord. That vibration through our brain reaches the inner ear. This inner ear then reduces the frequency of the sound and increases the bass. You remember the song of Salman Khan? But when we hear the same song, the recorded song, this bass is then absent. And I might think that I'm just singing like a frog. That's why I do not sing in front of anybody. Thank you for showing your patience while watching my video and listen to my voice.